In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to deactivate your Instagram account. Watch this video until the end to exactly know how you can deactivate yours. And before I move into the video, subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on more interesting videos similar to this. Now to deactivate your account of Instagram, you cannot do it from the app. You'll need to open up a web browser and then log into your account from there. So firstly, open up a web browser and search for instagram.com. Tap on login and then log into your account. Now after you've been logged in, you'll need to tap on your profile icon on the bottom right and tap on edit profile. Now if you scroll down from here, you'll be able to see an option of temporarily deactivate my account. Tap on that. Now here first, before you deactivate your account, you need to choose a reason why you are deactivating. Choose the reason that you want, and you can also choose to deactivate your account automatically, but you can also do it manually. So for that, select on don't auto deactivate, and the last thing you need to do is type in your password. After that, you can tap on this button right here on the bottom which says temporarily deactivate account. Now once your account has been deactivated, you can easily log into your account anytime and reactivate it. So that's how easily you can deactivate your account of Instagram. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, share, subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.